The Oil Palm Industry Corporation, or OPIC, is taking control of abandoned smallholder blocks to restore and make it economically viable. The challenge is to meet the milling company's production volume or half of it. OPIC's General Secretary, Mr. Kepson Pupita, who is on a mission to do exactly that, says the industry as a whole sees smallholder blocks producing about 11 to 15 tons on average per hectare, while the milling company is doing 30 to 40 tons on average.
The smallholders have a big challenge ahead to at least bring the yields midway or somewhere near to what the milling companies do.
In Kavieng, some smallholder blocks have been abandoned due to road inaccessibility and the cost associated with looking after oil palm.
Blocks were abandoned because of a road problem, inaccessible roads, and that vehicles cannot get through to load this. They have FFB or the fresh fruit bunches, so as a result, the blocks were left to overgrown bushes and trees and all.
A funding support by the National Planning in 2019 through the Public Investment Program has seen the creation of 4 new roads.
Since last year, 2019, they've done road rehabilitation from Parwai, Lakromau, Luapul and Kavieng. These are the big, the villages where they have a lot of growers.
With an easy access to these oil palm blocks, the task now is to rehabilitate the blocks.
Under the leadership of Mr. Kepson Pupita, we are trying our best to get these blocks back by cleaning them up, giving contracts to the youths to get these blocks back to standard.
Mr. Pupita explains that towards the end of 2020, the national government had given the agriculture sector 50 million kina for price support and agriculture intervention program. Oil palm got 2 million kina from that funding.
I've done massively around 5 project areas, intervention programs, including rundown block rehabilitation along the roads that the planning department through PIP has given monies to open up access to rundown blocks. So those blocks, we rehabilitated them using the 2 million kina.
With the current rehabilitation work and road access improved, the challenge is now on the smallholder farmers to bring the production up.
Since I came in 2020 till now, I've put in a lot of effort to change the pace of Oil Palm Industry Corporation and at the same time increase the yields of crop harvest.
In Kavieng, with the recent improvements to their work environment, especially the rehabilitation of the rundown OPIC office and houses, the staff are happy and motivated to help smallholder farmers achieve that production goal. Shamin Poreambeb, National EMTV News.